welcome to another episode of Above the Fold. If you couldn't tell, well, before we get into things,
I said, hold up, wait a minute.
I just want to share with you guys my top I'm wearing. It's super cute. I'm gonna pop it up here. You probably can't see it, but it's by Sanctuary, and I am really just loving the whole cutout top. Brings back nostalgia from when it was popular. But yeah, just want to share that with you guys. And do check out, I'm going to do another bargain haul video, but definitely check out sanctuary.com, or I don't really know what the main website is address. I'll link it down in the description box below. But their website usually has sales every now and then, and the items are heavily discounted, so you can get a lot of trendy items for a pretty steep discount. So definitely check that out, and I will make another bargain haul video. I really enjoyed making the last one, so stay tuned for that. Okay, now back to the video again. Today I wanted to share with you guys this look I created. It's based off of Doja Cat at the Billboard Music Awards. First off, I love Doja Cat. I just love how she's kooky, and she's just, I don't know, I feel like her music is really fresh and fun. And I feel like in one of the interviews that she did, she mentioned that's what she's trying to do, because music, a lot of people, artists take themselves so seriously, but she's trying to be like irreverent and, you know, just make her music fun to listen to. And I think she's definitely achieved that goal, because I have a lot of fun listening to her music.
Ask it again. Say it again.
And I love her sense of fashion as well. But yeah, no different at the Billboard Music Awards. She looked gorgeous. I think she was giving us some serious goddess vibes. So yeah, and I really liked how her makeup was beautiful, but at the same time, I like the reverse liner she got going on with that interesting shape, which I tried to do today. Again, I feel like it kind of makes everything like fun and more like irreverent, so that it's not so serious, and it's totally her vibe and her style. But yeah, so I wanted to share with you guys the look I created based off of what she got going on there. I think it's like a reverse liner smoky eye and a bit of a cut crease as well. Again, I know it doesn't look exactly the same. I don't have a crease, so and I have monolids, so I tried my best to kind of channel her Doja Cat vibes into my look. I think it would be a fun going out look, or like if you are going to music festivals, it's kind of fun to also channel this whole reverse liner trend as well. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I create this look, then definitely stay tuned and watch the tutorial. Go ahead and prep and prime your face, which I have already done so. The next step I'm going to take is I'm going to prime my eyes using my Urban Decay Primer Potion. Okay, and then I am going to be taking a step I've been taking in many of my recent videos, which is using an angled brush, dipping into the makeup palette I'm using today, which is Too Faced Pretty Rich. I'm going to go in with Oh That's Rich, and again, just kind of sketching out the angle, and we'll be placing the tape so that everything is more or less as even as possible. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and take my tape and then just place it at an angle. Okay, so I am going to first start off by applying a foundational base shade. So I'm going to apply a foundational base shade of It's Designer all over the lid. crease action going on. But I'm going to first smoke out the outer edges with Oh That's Rich. I'm also going to use Oh That's Rich to cut this crease. Now I'm going to work on taking my angled brush and just cutting the fake cut crease by feeling around where my eye socket sinks in. And what's important is also really blending out the edges so it doesn't look so harsh. She also had black at the outer edges as well, so I'm going to take Kohl Under Pressure and just smoke out the outer edges. Just to further make my fake cut crease pop, I'm going to take Stila Glitter and Glow in Kitten Karma and just kind of pop that area. So I am now going to, before I do anything, I'm going to first highlight my brow bone and my inner corners with Club Your Pearls. Go ahead and remove the tape. And I'm going to go ahead and take my Clinique Pretty Easy liquid lining pen and line the upper lid. So now I'm going to first pop on the falsies, and then after I'm done doing that, I will go ahead and tackle the kind of complex reverse liner she had going on. So again, using my Idole natural lashes. Okay, lashes are on. Wasn't exactly a walk in the park, but it wasn't that bad today. Okay, so now enough putting it off. I'm going to have to try to tackle the bottom lash. The bottom reverse liner she had going on. So I am going to take the shade Don't Care It At All, coat that all on the lower lash line. And then I am going to also take Fluent in Diamonds, which is a glitter topper, and just make the bottom lash line super glittery and super gold. Okay. And now I'm going to go ahead and take my MAC eye pencil in Teddy, and I'm going to try to draw that. It looks like a reverse liner, but has like rounded edges. I'm going to try to do that to the lower lash line, and then I'm going to trace over that with maybe my liquid liner to just add more precision after. Take my Stila liquid liner and I'm going to trace over it. I took an angled brush and I took Kohl Under Pressure and I just connected everything on the bottom so that it looks a little more connected. Okay, I think that looks about good. I tried my very best. It was actually kind of hard. But what I realized is I actually bought a new liquid liner from the I forgot, the beauty event that Ulta always has. I totally forgot the name all of a sudden. But anyways, it's the Kat Von D liquid liner, tattoo liner. And I had never tried it before. It was 50% off. And actually, it is way more precise than the Stila liquid liner and the Clinique one. So it's perfect for if you're trying to do like a graphic liner or something that requires more precision other than like an extended liner or a clear liner. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and apply some mascara to the lower lash line. So I'm going to use my Lancome. This is another thing I got from that sale, the Lash Idole. And I will probably do a whole full review and commentary on all the things I bought recently that's new, including clothing, like a bargain haul update. But yeah, this mascara has been okay. I don't think I've seen like really dramatic results with it. But it is a little more precise and neater than the Monsieur Big, but I don't know, I just don't think it made a visible difference. And now I'm pretty much nearly done with the look. I'm going to go ahead and dust on some blush using my Too Faced Sweetheart Perfect Blush Blush. And then I'm going to go ahead and dust on my highlighter, so using my Too Faced Diamond White Highlighter. And for the lips today, I'm just going to keep it pretty neutral and simple. I kind of have a lot going on with the eyes, so I'm going to use my Lancome, Les Absolute Rouge, and Rose Amnesia. And yeah, there you have it. This is the finished look. I think it is very much in the whole Doja Cat style. It is modern, edgy, a little bit kooky, but I like that about her. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this look. I think it will bring out the regal goddess within you, and I love to see how you guys get inspired by it. And yeah, stay tuned for more content from me. Thanks for watching. Bye.